Hello, English learners, and welcome back to Clarity English Studio. I'm Mike.
And I'm Anna. We create podcasts to help you speak English confidently every single day.
If you find this helpful, please give us a like and subscribe. It truly supports our channel.
Today, we're diving into incredibly useful everyday English phrases. We'll practice listening, learn practical language, and have a natural conversation.
Are you ready? Let's get started. So, Anna, how you feeling today?
I'm feeling pretty good, thanks. A little sleepy, though. I woke up super early today.
Oh no, I woke up early. That's a great useful sentence right there.
I know, right? Then I decided to make myself a big breakfast.
Did you? That's nice. Actually, talking about our mornings is perfect for today's topic.
It is. So, what exactly are we learning today?
We're learning tons of practical phrases for daily life, for home, work, shopping, you name it.
Oh, that's perfect. Sometimes I just blank on what to say in simple situations.
I know, it can be tricky, so today we'll build your toolkit together. Let's start with greetings, but not just hello, let's look at different times of day.
Okay, in the morning I say good morning,
Perfect. In the afternoon?
good afternoon, and in the evening, good evening.
Great. Now, what about meeting a friend, something more casual?
I could say hey or hi there.
Yes, both are very friendly. And how do you ask how someone is?
How are you?
That's the most common, but we also say, how's it going? Or how are you doing? They all mean the same.
How's it going? I like that. It sounds very natural.
It does. Now, you need to know how to answer, too. If you're fine, what can you say?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good and polite. Also, I'm good or not bad. If you're really happy,
Great or excellent. Wonderful.
let's move to asking for things. This is super useful. If you want something in a cafe or shop, like a coffee.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Perfect. Can I have is your best friend. You can use it everywhere. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have a menu? What about I would like? Is that similar?
Almost the same, right? I would like a coffee is also good and polite.
Yes, maybe a touch more formal. Try it.
At a restaurant, I would like the chicken, please.
Excellent. Now, sometimes you need to ask where something is.
Where's the bathroom? That's a very important one.
It is the most important question. You can also say, excuse me, where can I find the milk? Starting with excuse me is important, isn't it?
Yes, always polite. Now, what if you don't understand someone? What can you say?
I might say, sorry? Or can you repeat that, please? Both are perfect. You can also say, pardon me? Or I didn't catch that. They mean the same.
I didn't catch that. Okay, I'll try to remember that.
Let's talk about your day. How do you talk about simple things you did?
I can say, I went to the store, I watched a movie, I called my friend.
Yes, simple past tense, very useful. And if you want to talk about what you're doing right now,
I am learning English, I am cooking dinner, I am listening to Clarity English Studio.
thank you. Now, making plans for the future, with me, for example.
Okay, do you want to see a movie tomorrow?
Good question. A very common way to make plans. You can also say, would you like to? It's a little more polite. Would you like to get a coffee?
And I can answer, yes, that sounds good, or sorry, I'm busy then.
Perfect answers. Now, let's practice some small problems. Anna, you're looking for your phone. What do you say?
I can't find my phone.
Good. And I might ask, did you check the coffee table?
And I say, oh, yes, here it is. Problem solved.
Exactly. What if you spill some water?
I'd probably say, oh, no, and then I'll clean it up.
I'll clean it up. That's a great responsible phrase. Now, feelings. How do you say you're happy?
I'm happy. Easy.
And if you're not, you're tired.
I'm tired. Or I'm exhausted.
And if you're a little sad,
I'm feeling a little sad.
that's a good, clear way to say it. It's important to express how you feel. Now, giving a simple opinion about food.
This is delicious. Or this is really good.
And if you don't like it,
Hmm, I could say, it's not for me. Is that polite?
very polite. Or, it's a bit too salty for me. You give a reason. That's kind. What about at work or school? Useful phrases there?
Asking for help, Can you help me with this, please?
And offering help. Do you need a hand?
Do you need a hand? I love that phrase. It's so friendly. Saying you don't know something is okay too.
Right. I'm not sure about that, or I don't know the answer.
And a very important one. Thank you for your help.
Oh, yes. Always say thank you.
Always. Let's end with simple directions. If someone asks you for the post office,
I can say go straight, then turn left.
good. And you can add distance. Go straight for 5 minutes, or it's on your right.
What if it's very close?
It's just around the corner. That's a great phrase.
It's just around the corner. Got it. We learned so many phrases.
We really did. You did an amazing job, Mike. These are the building blocks for everyday conversation. It's like filling a toolbox.
That's the best way to think about it, a language toolbox. Now let's go through some essential phrases. These are the little sentences we use all the time. They make your English sound natural and fluent.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's start with one I use all the time. How's it going?
A classic. It's a casual how are you for friends and people you know. You can answer it's going well or not bad. Try it with me.
Hi, Mike. How's it going?
It's going great, thanks. See? Easy. Another important one, what do you think?
That means you want my opinion, right?
Exactly. If I show you my new phone case, I ask, what do you think? It's a great conversation starter.
Okay, my turn. A phrase for when I'm busy. I'm in the middle of something.
Perfect. That's a polite way to say you're occupied. For example, can I call you back? I'm in the middle of cooking.
That's good. A similar one is just a second or just a minute.
Yes, that means please wait a very short time. More natural than please wait. What about when you don't know an answer?
I can say, I have no idea.
That's honest and common. A softer way is, I'm not sure. Here's a phrase for plans. Are you up for it?
Ooh, I like that. Are you up for it means, do you want to do it? So, there's a new museum exhibit. Are you up for a visit?
And I answered, yeah, I'm up for that. Sounds friendly. Now, a crucial one. It's up to you.
That means you decide. I don't have a preference.
Right. A kind way to let the other person choose. A shopping phrase, how much is this?
Very important. And the answer might be, it's on sale.
Which means it costs less. Excellent. When you finally understand something difficult.
Ah, it makes sense now. I say that a lot.
You do, and it makes me happy. That phrase means now I understand. A phrase for being careful?
Watch out or look out.
Yes, it's a warning. A phrase for good news.
That's great to hear. We use that all the time.
It keeps the conversation positive. What about when something is easy?
It's a piece of cake.
I love that. It means it's very, very easy. The opposite when something is hard.
It's tough or it's driving me crazy.
Yes, this software is driving me crazy means it's frustrating you. A polite request phrase?
Would you mind? That one can be tricky. Would you mind opening the door? Means, please open the door.
Perfect. The polite answer is not at all, meaning no, I don't mind. I'll do it. Language can be so polite. Here's a direct one. Let's get started.
That's powerful. It means, let's begin now.
Another for starting a task, I'll get right on it.
That means you'll start immediately. Very helpful. A phrase for being late.
I lost track of time.
That's a good one. It means you are so busy you didn't notice the time. A phrase for being tired of something.
I'm sick of it. That's strong. I'm sick of this traffic.
A softer version is, I'm tired of it. A phrase for when you agree completely.
I couldn't agree more. I agree 100%.
Beautiful phrase. For forgetting something?
It slipped my mind. That's gentler than I forgot.
Yes, it means the thought just disappeared. Now, maybe the most useful phrase for all small problems.
Don't worry about it.
Ah, yes, you say that to make someone feel better. It means, it's not a problem.
Exactly. It fixes the situation. This is a really good list, Anna. These phrases are like secret keys.
They are, Mike. If you learn these, you'll understand more and be understood perfectly. We talked about many phrases. Now let's look at some important vocabulary inside them. For example, in take a break, what does break really mean here?
Good question. Here, a break is a short period of rest. It's a noun, different from the verb break, like break a glass.
So break can be both. It's a busy word. Let's look at take care of. We have the word care. What does care mean?
Care means to feel something is important, to protect it. So take care of means to be responsible for someone or something.
Like, I take care of my plants. If I don't, they don't get a break. They might die.
Good try. Let's look at take off. We talk about planes and coats. The key word is off. What does off mean?
Off means not on, to remove. So take off your shoes means remove them.
Perfect. For a plane, it means to leave the ground. Now another useful word, up. In clean up or give up, what does up mean here?
That's hard. It doesn't mean above. Clean up means to make completely clean, and give up means to stop trying.
Right. In these phrasal verbs, small words like up change the main verb's meaning. Give is to offer, give up is to surrender. Very different.
English is tricky. Another word, mind, in would you mind? What is mind here?
Here, mind is a verb. It means to be annoyed or bothered by something. So, would you mind closing the door means would it annoy you to close the door? The polite no answer is no, I wouldn't mind.
So, I don't mind means it's not a problem for me. The word track in I lost track of time. What's a track?
A track is like a path to follow. So if you lose track, you lose the path. You can't follow time anymore.
That makes a nice picture. What about sense in it makes sense?
Sense here means logical meaning. If something makes sense, it is logical and understandable.
The opposite is it makes no sense. Let's look at tough. We said it's tough. Another word for tough?
Hard, difficult, strong. It can mean physically strong or difficult.
The word sale in it's on sale.
Sale means the act of selling, but on sale specifically means for a lower price.
Got it. For sale means you can buy it. On sale means you can buy it for less. What about piece in a piece of cake?
A piece is a part of something, but the phrase means something as easy as eating a piece of cake. Very easy.
I like that. The verb drive in it's driving me crazy. Does it mean I'm in a car?
No, not here. Here, drive means to force or push someone to a condition. So driving me crazy means making me very frustrated.
A strong feeling. Another strong word, sick in I'm sick of it.
Here, sick doesn't mean ill. It means tired of, bored with, and annoyed by something.
Like, I'm sick of this rainy weather. Now a nicer word, forward, in I'm looking forward to it.
Forward means ahead. So looking forward means you're looking ahead to a future event with happiness.
Beautiful explanation, Mike. You're really thinking about these words. One more, middle in the middle of something.
Middle is the center point. If you're in the middle of cooking, you have started and not finished. You're at the center of the activity.
Understanding these small words helps you understand 100 phrases. You build vocabulary from the ground up.
From the ground up, see? You're using it. It's starting to make more sense.
It absolutely is. You're doing fantastic. We covered so much ground today.
We really did. From good morning to I'm sick of it, a full day of English.
Yes, a real journey. I hope our listeners feel like they have a new toolbox.
A toolbox full of shiny, useful phrase tools. Not a real hammer, though. Please don't hit your headphones with a hammer.
Use your words, not a hammer. So let's think back. What's one phrase you heard today that you really liked?
I really like it's up to you. It's friendly and gives the other person a choice. It feels kind.
That's a wonderful one. I love that you chose a phrase about kindness. My favorite was, are you up for it? It sounds so inviting and fun.
Yes, it's better than just do you want to. It sounds like an adventure. Now, the most important part is using these. You don't need to use all of them tomorrow. Maybe choose just one.
Yes, maybe tomorrow I'll try to use just a second instead of wait, or I'll say I'm in the middle of something very politely.
And I'll say, no problem. Talk to you later. That's how conversations work. You try, I respond. It's a team activity, even in learning.
Learning English isn't a solo journey. We're all here together. Speaking of which, we have our question of the day.
I'm ready. Today's question is personal. We want to know about your habits. So, what is one thing you always say or do every single day in English or your language?
For example, I always say sleep well to my family every night. That's my thing.
And I always say, what's the plan for today in the morning? I love to know the plan.
So, listeners, tell us about your daily habit or phrase. Write it in the comments below.
We read every comment. We love to see where you're from and learn about your lives. It's the best part of what we do.
Truly, your comments make us smile and help us make better content for you.
Before we go, a big thank you. Thank you for spending your time with us. Thank you for wanting to learn.
Learning a language is brave. You are all very brave. Keep going, one small phrase at a time.
And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. It helps new friends find our Clarity English Studio family.
Family, I like that. See you next time, everyone.
Bye for now.
Goodbye.
Thank you for listening to Clarity English Studio. We'll see you in the next episode. Take care.